Hey there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an order from Moonshine Mani that I'm going to unwrap. I got this during their Valentine's Day sale, so I think it was 20% off that weekend. I try to shop sales when I can. Is this a little Lego toy? What do I got here? It's stuck. Okay. Oh, look, I got a little sticker. Polishes my happy place. That'll go on one of my storage drawers. Some candy. And I think this is probably an eraser. Like a little truck with a cement mixer. That's pretty cool. Cute. And some polishes. Okay, this is what we came for, right? The polishes. Let's see what I got. The net from Slowly Roll Part 4 collection. And this is green and magenta, and there's some silver reflective glitter in there. Look at that. That is cool. And I think this is a Sandra Bullock thing. She was in the net in the 90s. And I obviously have a problem with green nail polish here. I buy a lot of green nail polish. Superstar from Project Dupe It. And this looks like a sage green with some teal and micro flakies maybe. Very swampy. Can't wait to swatch these. Oh. Excellent. The Runners Up collection. The Runners Up 2023 collection. And this is like a turquoise with some gold in there. Flakies. Looks to be acrylic. Same with the Superstar. And hello, my name is Ignacio Montoya. I thought it was Ignacio. Maybe it's Ignio. Maybe I'm having a brain thing, misremembering. I thought it was, hello, my name is Ignacio Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die. I could be misremembering now. Apparently I was on a big desire for some Corellis here, although this does seem pretty shimmery. Look at all those holographic glitters. You know, I was thinking I really needed to get that Holo Taco I Need Space collection, mostly because of the one that looks kind of like this. Maybe it's I'm over it. I'll have to look that up. But I think this probably would take that, scratch that itch for me. And finally, Sugar from Project Dupe It. This is like a denim blue with a strong pink shift. Beautiful. Ah, stunning. So that's what I've got. I'm gonna do some swatches and show you what they look like. Here's the first coat of the net, which is described as a teal base with a strong pink, red, gold glow and hollow flakies. I love the movie that this was based on. In the 90s, when I was first starting computer programming, anything that showcased women and technology I thought was awesome. So I like the movie. I did struggle a bit with the brush. It's a paddle brush, but it's very thick, fat. I don't know. It's not a brush that works well for me. So you'll see that throughout this. I'm really struggling to get the brush in corners. The polish itself is great though. So I apologize for going off camera a little bit. I was having to twist my thumb quite a lot to get the brush into the corners. If this is teal, to me it's a very green leaning teal, which is fine by my book. It's gorgeous. I love that red glow combined with the green. It makes it look almost bronze, and those white flakies or silver flakies, whatever they are. I rarely do this, but I actually wore this for an Instagram collab before I've released this video. I try to not use any polish that I've purchased until I publish the video, especially if I'm going to share it on social media. I couldn't help myself with this one. It was perfect for the Halloween Forever collab that I just finished with the traditional Irish Halloween theme. Oh, I love that polish. Here is Superstar, which is inspired by Sinful Colors Super Cooper. It's a soft sage green base filled with white silver flakies and green pearl micro flakies. The original that this was based on did not include those green pearl micro flakies, so that's a change that Phoebe made to this particular polish. Definitely an improvement, I think. I wish Sinful Colors would come back. They had so many great and unusual shades. My local grocery store still has a few shades in stock, but they haven't come out with anything new for years. I know it's because Revlon filed for bankruptcy. I wish they would resolve that and bring Sinful Colors back. I needed 3 coats for full opacity. And here it is with a glossy top coat on my index and pinky and a matte top coat on the middle and ring fingers. I love flakies like this with a matte top coat. This is really beautiful. That slight translucency just looks like fat succulent leaves to me, and I think it's adorable. I can't wait to wear this. Here is Excellent, a soft turquoise crelly with crushed gold flakies. This was from the Runners Up 2023 collection, and unfortunately it appears to be sold out, which is always a risk with indie polishes. And again, I'm really struggling with the brush here, trying to get it into the corners. And this one I thought did good in 2 coats. I didn't need 3, so that's always a bonus. I think this is a really beautiful polish, perfect for spring. It's just a soft color and the gold gives it some interest. Yeah, I really like this.
Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
This is a tan jelly with a few sizes of gold hollow micro glitters and flakies. Fairly translucent in the first coat. I would say this has more of an orange rust colored lean than straight tan, which is what drew me to it, besides the fun name. Look at that sparkle. It's just stunning. And as I thought earlier that this was similar to Solo Mission from Holo Taco, but Solo Mission is much pinker. I did do 3 coats to cover up any visible nail line. I think I could have gotten away with 2, but that's hard to say when you're first applying it, so I went with 3 to be safe. This is so beautiful with the micro glitters and the flakies and the hollow glitter, and it's giving me gingerbread vibes. Perfect for fall and Christmas, I think. This is Sugar Sugar, inspired by OPI's Sugar Plum Yum. It's a cloudy pale blue gray with a strong pink, red, copper gold shimmer. And the original had a duochrome shimmer, but Moonshine Mani opted to go with a larger particle that doesn't give that pearly finish, but that's fine with me because look at this shimmer. I needed 3 coats to get to full opacity, and once again I'm really struggling with the brush to get to the edges, especially on the left side of my nail, but it's worth it. The formula was great. I was able to lay down thin coats. So now I've learned what a large particle shimmer looks like, and I have to say I am a huge freaking fan. Some of my favorite polishes that I can't stop looking at have this large particle shimmer. The OPI name, Sugar Plum Yum, makes me think of Christmas, but I actually think this polish is would be great in the springtime. And the name Sugar Sugar makes me think of maple trees and gathering the sap in the spring and making maple syrup. They call those sugar shacks, and it's kind of a tradition around where I live to make maple syrup in the spring. So I say that this polish is perfect for that. It's a little bit frosty with the gray blue, but glowy, which reminds me of the days getting brighter. Whenever you wear this, it's gonna look awesome. Despite saying that, hello, my name is Ignio Montoya, could be perfect for Christmas time because of its gingerbread vibes, this is apparently my idea of a spring collection. Overall, I think Moonshine Mani makes beautiful polishes with lots of special effects. They're very fun. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a great day.